How it goes sensational.
I think this is a wig.
What can it do for you, girl?
So let's just get into it.
After seeing Kai's video, I went straight to Ebony Line to get this wig for the low. And I got the color Balayage Chocolate, and it looks kinda 1B-ish and a little bit of some warm tones that I think I'll probably look good in. But when I go in the box, y'all, oh my gosh, I honestly don't know if this. Cause where is that darker tone that I saw in the box? I don't see it.
This fits my head really good.
So that's a pro. And also 24 inches of Bella Breezy Yaki texture hair for less than $50. I mean, this is a steal, especially if you want a honey blonde color. I don't know what this balayage chocolate is. I mean, it's brown. It is brown. That's chocolate. But it has the edges, y'all. Look at that. Look at the edges. My coworker was like, "Is that your leave out?" And it's like, "No, girl. This is a synthetic wig." I use these little small scissors like this. So we're gonna cut like that in a zigzag. Because when you cut straight, they can tell. It's easier to tell. I mean, they can already tell. I'm not gonna lie. 9 times out of 10, I can tell when somebody has on a wig because I wear wigs. I mean, come on. Come on. Yeah, make sure you're cutting like that because it makes it less noticeable and it can make it look like scalp. I'm gonna take mine off. I don't see how people cut with it on. It don't work like that for me. If you can cut with this on, you can use your razor and shave it and do a jagged edge, but I have troubles with that and I have ripped lace cutting with a razor, so I'm just gonna take mine off and cut it. In case you were wondering, that is an adjustable strap that I'm about to put on the back of my head. It's more adjustable like a bra strap, so be mindful about that. It's not a high quality adjustable strap that you would get with a $300 wig. There are also combs in the back and combs on the side in case you're one of the girlies who likes to wear that. But I will say, even without me putting on this lace, this is already looking realistic with the baby hairs. Like, come on.
What I have not done yet is tinted my lace. Now, I choose to use a color that is not my complexion. I actually choose to use, it looks better when I use my contour shade in comparison to my regular complexion. I feel like when the light hits it, because it's a little bit darker, it looks a little bit more seamless and it looks more like, your forehead. Typically, your forehead is darker, at least for my face it is. I'm going to have to take my wig off again and put it underneath because I forgot to tint the lace.
This is what I use to melt my lace. You can use spritz, you can actually use whatever you like. It really doesn't matter as long as it works with your biochemistry. I do tend to spray a lot sometimes that it drips down my face, especially if my head is tilted down. So try and tilt your head upwards. And also spray at least 2 layers if you're planning on going out and if you sweat a lot. But use whatever is best for your biochemistry. You'll figure it out the more that you wear it. Go ahead and clean up the excess before you lay your lace, but if you don't, it's okay. I have a trick that I'll show you later. We are so close to getting our final results. The last thing you need to do is add the powder to your part, and this should be lighter than your complexion because technically your scalp is lighter than your forehead. It is, I promise you. I like to use a flat brush in order to apply that. And look, it's already looking a little bit like more seamless here, just adding it. So, yay. If you put too much, just go ahead and tap it out. Y'all ready for the reveal? Because I'm ready. Let's go ahead and take this band off. Look at those baby hairs. It looks really good. The only thing I have to do is just clean up that mess. And I told you, I'll tell you how to get it off. This is the product right here, just in case you have excess adhesive, and you can use an alcohol wipe to also get it off. Just be sure to moisturize afterwards. Since I was feeling cute, I went ahead and put on my lip gloss, and guys, I think it's gonna be a problem for somebody to have this summer.